Looking for a simple setup travel trailer with zero slide outs and a completely open floor plan from front to back? Then you'll want to take a look at this new arrival to RV Depot, the 2019 Forest River Wildwood 241QBXL. Its simple no-slide design keeps setup easy, reduces exterior maintenance, and gives you complete access to the interior whether you are settled into a campsite or taking a quick break along the highway. Now let's step inside, because this is where this Wildwood makes especially smart use of its available space. As soon as you enter, you are welcomed into a completely open interior. The layout feels clean, uncomplicated, and surprisingly roomy. You can see from the front sleeping area to the rear kitchen and bathroom, creating a strong sense of openness throughout the trailer. At the front of the trailer is the queen sleeping area, and immediately at the foot of the bed is the sofa, separating the two spaces without closing either one off. Directly across from the sofa is the booth dinette. There's storage overhead as well as below the two bench seats. It also provides a dedicated place for breakfast, dinner, board games, remote work, or planning the next day's activities. The kitchen is arranged along the wall where everything remains within easy reach. The layout includes a sink, microwave, cooktop, overhead cabinetry, and a refrigerator. At the back end of the trailer is the full-width rear bathroom. There's both a countertop vanity with sink and radiused corner shower. If you appreciate simplicity, this Wildwood offers the features you need, plus a straightforward design that lets you spend less time setting up camp and more time enjoying the journey. Want to find out more and how we can help you? Reach out to our team today. They are here and ready to help at RV Depot.
Our happy campers say it best. So what did you think of your RV Depot experience?
I loved it. Everything went great and more than what I expected.
Why'd you choose RV Depot over others?
Because it's family owned and it's in-house finance.
So what do you like about your RV?
Well, what's not to like about this RV? This is the cutest little RV. It has huge windows. So if you got a little RV, you're gonna want some big windows. I love the kitchen area. It's got solid surface countertops almost all the way around. It also has a hidden bunk hidden behind the fireplace and where the TV is. That is a total shock. I mean, there's nothing to say about this that would not be positive. I'm super excited to take it back to Florida and get on the beaches with it.
So what do you think about the RV Depot experience?
Man, they were really helpful, man, and they helped me get this one right here, and really appreciate it.
What would you say to people who are looking for an RV?
Oh yeah, y'all gotta go to RV Depot, man. You got to. It's the best place.
What do you like about your new RV?
So we picked this one out specifically for the bunkhouse for traveling with kids. We're going to be living in it. It's kind of bigger bunkhouse. It's got 2 bathrooms, so we're probably going to be filling them up all the time. A good experience with it.
All right, what do you think about your experience at RV Depot?
Great experience. Easy, fast, no headaches.
What would you say to people who are looking for an RV?
Come to RV Depot first. We've been a lot of other places and wish we'd have came here first.